This is Mark Espy once again, markettamer.com. We're looking at the SPX. Please remember this is for educational purposes only, not meant to be or construed in any way to be a recommendation to buy or sell anything. Okay, we're looking at very similar to the analysis of the Dow, but want to be aware of the fact that we had decent volume today, and we ended up in a doji, very close to being maybe even it's probably a spinning top more accurately. And the low today was at 1067, so that could in fact be a significant low that we need to pay attention to, especially in light of the fact that we had decent participation in the market today. This also printed this is called a bullish harami, which is a bullish pattern to the upside, but you need follow-through confirmation on that, so we'll have to see Monday what happens with that. If it in fact goes back up, the first area of contention would probably be the 200 simple moving average, and we'll probably test the bottom side of that to see if it can break back through there once again. Noticed here it did break above here, but it didn't remain very long because it put in a bunch of indecisive days and then obviously came back down, which I felt would happen, and that's exactly what did happen. We had a bearish engulfing pattern, and there we went, we fell out of the sky. There was a top right here that we need to pay attention to, and that's about 1130, 1131 in that neighborhood. We also have an area here about 1175 and up here at 1220 on the top side. This area here should also be decent resistance as well, because we have a whole bunch of areas of articulation, market symmetry going on all the way back here in February. This consolidation here in late February as well. Actually, there was a double top right here, and then this consolidation. Then we had a top, and actually it's a triple touch right here. So all of this I think is fairly significant. That's about 1105, so we need to pay attention to that as well. On the downside, I feel that 1040 is really significant. If it breaks below there, it could be a free fall. We had three areas of touches right here which we need to pay attention to. So I'm feeling that we may be moving into even a narrower range here between the 200 simple on the top side and this recent low that was put in today. So once again, the key is if we break back above here, if we can stay above there, and then the aforementioned levels of resistance need to be adhered to or paid attention to. And then again, today's low I think could be a significant low, so we need to pay attention to that. If it does break there, then we're looking at a retest of 1040. The stochastics fell out of the overbought area and crossed back below 80. It looks like it's still going down, and then the MACD, the histogram, is moving back toward the zero line, indicating loss of momentum to the upside and a possible crossover of the %K line over the %D line. Okay, we're going to move over and take a look at the Compq.